50th anniversary of Vande Mataram, of our national song. It's indeed a matter of great honor and privilege for me to speak in front of this gathering on this historic occasion. Composed by great patriot, novelist and poet Bankim Chatterjee in 1875, we have seen the movie, the film and everything, and we heard our Honorable Prime Minister. After independence, the Constitutional Assembly of India on January 24, 1950 adopted this song, Vande Mataram, and it's recognized its unmatched contribution in shaping the soul of our nation. As we commemorate this 150 years of this immortal song, we are reminded that its message is timeless. The spirit of Vande Mataram continues to urge us to rise above divisions, to stand together in unity, and to dedicate ourselves to the progress, peace, and prosperity of our nation. In times of challenge, may the song's sacred message guide us, reminding us that love for our motherland must remain our highest ideal. As we recall the power of Vande Mataram, it's fitting to reflect on the deep patriotism that has always defined Manipur. This beautiful land of rich culture, valor, and resilience. The people of Manipur have, through every generation, embodied devotion to the motherland. From the bravery of Manipuri heroes who fought to defend their homeland, to the indomitable spirit of its freedom fighters, Manipur's contribution to India's history is immense and inspiring. Even in independent India, Manipur continues to shine, producing athletes who bring glory to the nation, artists who enrich our cultural tapestry, and citizens who uphold the ideals of unity, harmony, and progress. The courage and discipline of people of Manipur truly reflect the living spirit of Vande Mataram. I must appreciate the Shri Shri Balmukund Dev Music College, the Government Dance College, who gave a wonderful performance, especially choreographed by them for this occasion. 3 cheers for them. I would also like to congratulate the Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy for their outstanding performance today and a true tribute to the Vande Mataram. They presented various dances of different states and of course culminated with the performance on the stage singing Vande Mataram. It's a wonderful performance. I must compliment. This is really unity and integrity and a right tribute to the Vande Mataram. 3 cheers for them also. As we march towards our shared vision of Viksit Bharat, a developed India by 2047, let's draw strength from what that same spirit of dedication and sacrifice which once united us in struggle for freedom. Let Vande Mataram not just be a song we sing, but a pledge we live by to build a nation that is strong, inclusive and prosperous. On this historic occasion of 150 years of Vande Mataram, let's renew our resolve to work together for a unified and progressive India. Let each of us in our own way continue to serve our motherland with sincerity, honesty and love. Vande Mataram once again. Jai Hind.